Hi, my name is Marco Harteman. I'm Head of Knowledge Management at Interflon. Since the 1950s, PFAS have been widely used in countless applications, from consumer products to industrial lubricants. Now, one of the most recognized PFAS is PTFE, better known as Teflon, and it's prized for its ability to reduce friction. Studies indicate that PFAS are persistent in the environment and impact both nature and human health. At Interflon, we are committed to innovation and developing better solutions for the industry. In 2012, we initiated a project to improve sustainability, to reduce friction even further, and increase the use of renewable resources.
Hi, I'm Robin Langelaar, R&D Engineer here at Interflon. After 8 years of extensive research and development and 4 years of extended field tests, we introduced a new generation of lubricants with our enhanced MicPol technology. These advanced lubricants offer unparalleled protection for your equipment while drastically reducing friction. The result? Minimizing wear, reducing energy consumption and significantly extending the lifespan of your machinery.
This next generation innovation is free from PFAS, microplastics and nanoparticles, and fully complies with global regulations like REACH, CLP and TSCA. At Interflon, we manufacture premium industrial lubricants with our own MicPol technology, as well as cleaners, advanced lubrication tools and lubrication services in over 50 countries. Our solutions ensure optimal friction reduction, resulting in lower lubrication costs, higher output and improved compliance. With this, we are setting a new standard for sustainable industrial lubrication.